What's up, guys? So I just want to do a quick install video for the 2019 Edge ST. Today I'm just going to be going over how to install some universal wiper blades on the Ford Edge. So I picked up these Napa Proformers. They're really good blades. They're basically just like the Motorcraft. They're shaped very similarly, except I got them for like 10 bucks on sale rather than $30 for the Motorcraft. So here we have the factory clip. It's an A-style clip that's on the Edge. I'm going to show you how to take this off and then how we're going to assemble the new ones and put them on. All right, so removal of the factory blades. You're just going to lift up your wiper arm. This is the A-style clip, so you're going to push these two clips in here, tilt this up, and then this slides right off like so. So you're going to push in, you're going to tilt up, and you can lift right off. So that exposes the arm, and this is the style clip it has. So now I've already assembled the Napa one, which you can see here. So you have the A-style clip, and there is just an adapter that goes right underneath. And I will show you how to build those in a second. All right, so then to install the new one, you're going to push this at this angle, squeeze these in, you hear a click, and now it's all in. Put this back, and you are all good to go. They're size 28-inch that you're gonna need for both driver and passenger side. And now I will show you how to assemble the Napa one, being that it has a whole bunch of universal adapters. All right, so here we have the Napa packaging. Let's get this sucker opened. So here we have the blade. Some pretty much useless instructions. So when you get them, they come with this style clip on here, which we will not be using. Then this is the A-style clip, which is the one that we need. This is an adapter, which we will also need. And here's another clip, which we're not going to use. So to remove this, it's a little tricky. Let's see here. Take this piece, take that off like so. Then you're gonna push, squeeze this one and lift up, and then you can take that off as well. Now you're going to use what they consider the M adapter, and you can see there's arrows on it that point, and this, you push that in, and you'll hear it snap. So now it's on there just like that. That's your base. Then you take your A adapter, you're going to center these two, snips in place, and you're ready to go. So now we'll go get the driver's side one installed, and we'll be all done. All done. Hope this helps you guys out.